Do you care about our Earth? How much do you use a car a day? If you use it too much, that's bad for the Earth. Then that causes natural gas, which is bad for China. At the Imaginarium, we saw that we could get our electricity from wind turbines. Wind turbines are less expensive monthly, so our school could spend money on other things like paint for our art classes. The second reason is it will help the people in China because they have bad ear. In the video we watched in China, people were wearing face masks because the bad ear. So if China had wind turbines to help clear the air so they don't have to wear face masks. The last reason is at DCS we use too much electricity. At our school, we use it for Chromebooks, smartboards, and outlets. If we had a wind turbine, it would cost our school a lot less to power all the things we need. That is why I like wind energy is the best energy for DCS. So we need to install a wind turbine at our school. We must convince Mr. Sayer to buy a wind turbine for electricity.